Hey, how you doing? This is Crazy Tom. Yep, Crazy Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room show. And the reason I'm laughing, I recorded this show twice already, and I went to view it on my computer, and it's not there. And I'm like, what the heck? Well, gosh, what an idiot. The problem is I have two keyboards on this desk. And I was starting the recording, I thought, using the wrong keyboard, so it wasn't recording. Okay, now it should be recording. Anyway, I love it when my viewers and subscribers send me links to websites that have tons of information about radios. This is one of about three gentlemen sent me recently. And this one is called the S-Meter website. I had never heard of it. And it says, check your signals and listen to others on remote receivers, read thousands of pages of ham radio information, download malware-free radio-related design software. And there is a ton of information on this website. I will put the link to this website in the first comment below this video, and then I will tag that comment to stay at the top so you can always find it easily. Okay, let's just look at a couple of the pages. Online receivers, where does that take us? Oh, takes us to OpenWebRX. You're familiar with that. Okay. Propagation. Wow, look at all the stuff under propagation. The gray line, let's see if that'll show, what kind of a map that'll show, if it'll show a map. Oh, there it is. Now this says the gray line position at the time this image was loaded. Now let's see what it says up here. Allow a few seconds for the current position calculation, image creation, and image loading. Okay, yeah. Here I am right here. It's about what time? 3 o'clock. So we got about 6 hours of daylight left. Okay, let's go back. See what other. I'm just going to show you a few. I'll let you look at all the rest of them. Stations. Oh, here's listings of very low frequency stations, medium wave stations, HF stations, VHF stations, amateur radio VHF stations, NOAA weather. Wow, there's just, I'm overwhelmed with all the look at all the information that's available just under that topic. And we'll look at one more. Let's see, what should we pick? Statistics, what's that mean? If you think you don't understand statistics, you may understand more when you realize, because that matter is unique to this, depending. Okay, so this one talks about statistics. Okay, that's a little beyond me. Global weather, we'll check that real quick. Weather maps. Alaska weather map centered on Anchorage. Let's see what that shows. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. I wonder what the weather like is in Anchorage right now. I mean, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it's 52 degrees in Florida, Central Florida. Anyway, I want to thank the gentleman for sending me these links. I'll show you some more in some upcoming videos. Again, I'll put this down in the first comment, the link to this one, and you can look at all these things. I probably didn't find the best of them. There's probably a lot more than I'm showing you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.